Muscleman Cody by Chris Mendoza. I wish Archie would go out with me. I'm fat. Boom. What else can I do anyway? What's happening? Hey Cody, it's me, Christie, your cousin. I'm so buff. What's going on? Hi, Rebecca Grace. Happily ever after. The end.